So when we have clutter in the space, this is not random, it's often emotional. For example, we have paper piles, means delayed decisions making. When we have a closet that is overfilled, it is about identity transitions. When we have all items being kept, it means unresolved emotions. So clearing space equals releasing stored emotional energy. So the body, it always co-regulates with your environment. If your space feels heavy, the body contracts. If your space feels open, then the body relaxes. So remember to clear the space, and the body begins to lighten and opens as well.